Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and nothing quite says beach day like some gorgeous beach towels. These are from Vikumond. They are a set of 4 and they are absolutely stunning. I love the vibrant colors, the beautiful patterns, and just the quality of these towels in general. These towels came pre-washed, which was amazing. So I was able to just throw them right into my checked luggage to go on vacation with me. They are oversized, really, really great size. So they will wrap you up completely, or they're perfect for laying on. So that's especially what we use them for on this trip. We put them on the beach chairs. When we came out of the ocean all wet, it was great to be able to lay out on those to dry. They're very absorbent and they dry really, really quickly. They have this really beautiful tassel detailing around the edges. They're reversible, so one side has a bolder color, the other side is more of a white tone. The animals on these are so artistically done. I just love everything about these towels. They're also super compact, so I was able to throw them in a beach bag. They don't take up a whole lot of room at all. Really easy to take with you anywhere you need. These are a must-have for those summer beach days or even a picnic. Leave them in the back of your car. I also use this on the plane as a blanket, so that was an extra bonus. So definitely recommend this set. They come in all sorts of beautiful patterns, but this set of 4 is a real winner, and that's my point of view.